to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Watertown, or 10 miles southeast of Lebanon, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Carthage, Watertown, Gordonsville, Hickman, South Carthage, and Tucker's Crossroads. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 240 and 263. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornadic thunderstorm, which 5 a.m. The following is a wind advisory for the Northwest Alabama listening area for the following counties in Alabama: Colbert, Franklin, Lauderdale, and Lawrence. Wind advisory in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. What? West winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. When? Until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Isolated tree damage will be possible, especially due to the wet soils. Power outages may result, especially along the high-terrain areas of northeast Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects.